Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot at startup funding and investing. While a fund of funds investment approach may have benefits, there are disadvantages. Here is a list. The returns on a fund of funds ranges widely. It's rare that a fund of funds makes more than 25% IRR. It's just difficult to do with the funds spread across so many investment theses. Fund of funds are expensive. Consider the management fees and carried interest before committing to one. Too much access. Some fund of funds offer access to anything and everything. With so much choice, it can be difficult to build a winning fund of funds. Exits often come through the secondary market, and these give very poor returns. Before investing in a fund of funds, check for references with other investors who have been in the fund. Talk with those who have been in it a substantial period of time, say 3 years or longer. This should provide guidance on how well they work. Fund of funds has benefits and disadvantages. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.